A from Drunk Dog Video, and I've just had a new box of Stampin' Up supplies delivered to my door this morning. I'm trying to get out the door to go to work, but I am too excited to wait till I get home to see what's in here, and I want to share it with you, so I'm going to film this real quick. So these will be just a few products. So this is a short video from the brand new January to April mini catalog that's just come out. There's a digital copy of this available on the website at drunkdogcreative.com. You can check that out. This is for Australia. And it's Sale-A-Bration time now until the end of February. So there's all these like free products you can get. So for every $100 you order between now and the end of February, you get your choice of a bunch of free products that are in this catalog. And some of the things are in this box. So I'm going to open it and start showing you what they are. And sorry for the wiggling. For some reason the table's not real stable today. Okay, so let's get all this packaging out. Oh, I'm so excited. I reuse, by the way, these are recyclable plastics, and I reuse them when I send stuff to my grandkids in the States or my family in Sydney or around the world. So that's good. Okay, so let's get stuck into it. What's in here? All right, the first thing is this new punch, which is just beautiful. It's coordinates with some Stampin' die sets too, but it's just a really cool label punch. I know it's hard to see with the lights because it's got a mirror reflection, but that's one of the things that I ordered. So the first thing I'm going to show you is one of the items that I got free from the Sale-A-Bration. Now, some of the items you need a $200 purchase for, the others $100, and for every, like if you put a $300 order in, you can choose 3 items from the 100 or 1 from the 1 from the 2. So it's every $100 you spend, there's a reward. So this is a beautiful stamp set that I got as part of that. It's called Corner in Bloom, and it is all corner stamps of flowers that you can color in with your watercolor pencils or your alcohol Stampin' blends or your Stampin' Write markers, or use blends and embossing powders. I just love that I can do corners of things with this, and that was a free set. Very excited. The other free thing I got is the Pick a Season, and this is where you can stamp a tree and you can have it fairly bare, or you can have it full of leaves and you can choose what to put in those spots. I just thought with the little fence, I just thought that was a very cool, useful stamp for some cards. That's called Pick a Season. Okay, now we get into the fun stuff. There is a suite in the catalog called Storybook Friends. And I thought this was just too perfect for Easter or for people having babies or people with young children. So it's a whole suite collection, but I didn't get the whole suite because there are a few things I didn't think I would use. So I bought parts of the suite. So that's on pages 24, 25 of the catalog. So let me show you what I did bought. I bought the 2 Stampin' Die bundles. The first one is the Storybook Garden Patch, which are all kind of things you'd find in a veggie garden. So not just Easter, this can do all year, but I'm going to use it for Easter. Then it comes with some dies. And I need to open these and show them to you because one of them does something really cool. And I will make some cards with these and have some tutorials up soon, I promise. So here's the die set. If you have a look, this is like for a mound of dirt, but it has slits in it. So if you make any of the veggies and die cut them, you can put them in the slit so it looks like they're coming up out of the ground. How cool is that? Now what I do, of course, is I get a piece of magnet with an adhesive backing on it, and I put it here and I put all the dies there so that they are in the same case as my stamps. And once I set these up, you'll see they're the rubber cling stamps that'll cling to the other side. So how good is that? I love that this die set lets you do fun stuff like that and not just cut out the images. Let me put that away so I don't lose it. The other bundle that comes in that suite, and this is why I bought it because it's so adorable, is the Storybook Friends. I mean, look at that. That is so cute. It's little bunnies and other little animals, hedgehogs, and what is that one? Chipmunks, maybe? I don't know. They're so cute. And there's like, you know, again, for the garden patch, Stonewall, there's some great sayings. So it's not just Easter, but it can be anything. And they work really well together. If you think about it, you can create a garden scene with the little animals running through it. So let's have a look at their sizing. These ones are the photopolymer, so you can see through them as you stamp them. So you can size them against, they're small enough to like peek out from behind the veggies and things. And this is, of course, the rubber. Now, that also comes with a matching die set that cuts out all of those little figures, which I just think is awesome. The other thing I got for Easter, because, you know, after Christmas comes the Easter making season. I'm long time widowed, so I'm still single, and I don't do Valentine's Day, so I avoid all of those. All my single ladies with me, yeah, we just avoid that holiday. One year I had to fly from the US to Australia, and when you do that, you miss a day. And I left the US on the 13th of February and landed on the 15th. I got to skip the 14th altogether. Best flight. Anyways, I love this. So if you have more of a faith tradition that you follow, this collection will be beautiful to make your Easter cards with. It's got the different crosses, the crosses with the palms around it, the lilies. I think this is beautiful. So if you have some sort of Christian faith tradition, Protestant, Catholic, whatever, this is a set you might want to get for your Easter cards. And the last two things I bought from the suite were, of course, some ribbon. This is petal pink ribbon. This is such an interesting color because it looks pink, it looks peach, it looks light coral. It's like a ballet pink if you do ballet or you have someone who does. And it's such a versatile color because it goes with so many things. So having that ribbon in my stash is going to be important. That comes in the suite. The 12 by 12 paper that comes in the suite is here. It's called Timeless Plaid. The 12 by 12 paper that comes in the suite is one I didn't think I would get the full use out of, so I didn't get it, but it's 12 by 12 inches, lots of designs that coordinate with both of those stamp and die bundles. But this, I thought, not just for Easter, but all year long, would be something I could really get the use out of. I'm going to try to show this off. So these are all different colors and types of plaids, and there's quite a lot of them. I think there's 40. Let me just check the back. Yeah, there's 48 sheets. They're double-sided. So one side is plaid. The other side is kind of checkered or gingham. Let me tell you the colors it coordinates with real quick. I'm going to read this. It goes with basic beige, which is becoming a favorite of mine quickly, boho blue, Cajun craze, calypso coral, cherry cobbler, crumb cake, early espresso, lost lagoon, misty moonlight, mossy meadow, old olive, pebbled path, pecan pie, and wild wheat. So this set really goes with, let's see if I can do this, a lot of the standard colors, and I think can make masculine and feminine cards. So I thought I'm going to get a lot of use out of this paper for Easter, but also all year long. So that was worth investing in. The only other things in here are cardstock I'm replenishing after the huge Christmas make section that I went through. Yeah, so there we go. That's basically it. The exciting features are this storybook suite, which is only one of the suites on offer. But these beautiful free, hang on, how do we do this? These beautiful free stamp sets that I got with my order. This is only till the 28th February. And there's a joining special. So why did I join Stampin' Up? Honestly, I joined for the personal discount. I didn't intend to make it a business. I just wanted, they're really good quality products. I'm going to buy them anyways. Why not be able to get a decent discount every time I ordered? So I joined as it's an unofficial title. We call it a hobby demonstrator, where you don't really intend to sell or maybe even do card classes. You just want the discount. So the ongoing commitment is, a certain amount every 3 months. But if you don't make that, you get 1 more month's grace and then you drop off. But the next day you can sign up again and get all the bonuses again. So even if you're just a heavy crafter like I am, it's worth joining at this point, just for the bonuses. So how it normally works is you pay $169. You get $235, this is Australian dollars, in product, your choice. You pick whatever you want from the catalog. So it's not like a kit that you're stuck with. You get whatever products you want. So if you're going to order over $269, you might as well do it as a joiner. So normally $235. Normally $169 and you get $235 worth of credit. But during Sale-A-Bration, there's this pretty amazing bonus. And it's in the catalog. Digital catalogs available on my website, drunkdogcreative.com, or bridgeta.stampinup.net. And what it is you get a bonus this time. So you still get your $235 worth of product. You still pay $169, but then you have a couple options. You can get this option 1, which is a stamp set and your choice of any 2 packs of the Stampin' Write markers. They are amazing. They come in all our colors. One end is a normal pen kind of felt tip end. The other end is a brush end. And there's so much you can do with them. But if you don't like that option, and it's your choice of which 2 packs of the Stampin' Write markers, if you don't like that option, you get to choose another $51 of products of your choice. Now, hang on 1 minute and I'll show you my markers. All right, so I've grabbed one at random. This is my Stampin' Write marker. This is the Blueberry Bushel. So this end, can you see that, is a brush end. And this end is a bullet point felt, I don't know what that's called, and which you can use for coloring in really fine detail where the space is small, or for writing. And one of the things I like to do is whatever cards I've designed, I like to write my message in one of these pens in a color that coordinates with the card. Not always, but sometimes. The other thing you can do is use this to color in parts of your stamp, so you can have multiple colors on one stamp and stamp with it, because it's similar ink to the ink pads. Anyways, that's a really great joining bonus. So either an extra 51 on top of the 235, or an exclusive stamp set and your choice of 2 packs of Stampin' Write markers. All the details for how to join are on the drunkdogcreative.com website or under bridgeta.stampinup.net. Go check it out. It might be for you, but oh my goodness, these adorable, adorable storybook friends and this storybook garden. I can't wait to start making my Easter cards. Keep tuned for some tutorials coming up soon. Happy making, everyone. Have a great day. Thank you.